In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Wix. Crafting and sending newsletters is a powerful way to stay connected with your audience, and Wix makes this process straightforward and intuitive. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to wix.com. Log into your Wix account to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a panel on the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a variety of options related to managing your site. Here, we'll focus on the marketing section, a crucial area for managing communications with your subscribers. Next, locate and click on the Marketing option. This will redirect you to an array of marketing tools provided by Wix aimed at helping you engage with your audience effectively. Within this section, you'll want to find and select Email Marketing. This specific tool in Wix is designed to help you create, customize, and send out newsletters seamlessly. Upon navigating to the Email Marketing section, you're now ready to choose a template for your newsletter. Wix offers a variety of professionally designed templates to meet different needs and aesthetics. Take a moment to browse through and select a template that aligns with your brand and click Use Template. This will open the editor where you can further customize the template to suit your message and style. Once you have your template open, it's time to start adding elements. You'll have a multitude of options here. You can insert text boxes, images, buttons, and more, allowing you to tailor your newsletter to convey precisely what you want. Adding elements can enhance the readability and attractiveness of your newsletter, ensuring it captures your audience's attention. After adding the necessary elements, you might want to look at themes. Clicking on the Themes option allows you to choose different preset styles for your newsletter, saving you the hassle of going through each design component one by one. Whether you want something sleek and modern or colorful and bold, choosing a theme helps maintain consistency throughout your email. Following themes, the next step involves customizing the background of your newsletter. By clicking on Background, you can select colors or images that will act as the backdrop to your content. A strategic choice here can make your newsletter pop and further engage your readers. With all the customizations done, click Next to proceed. Now you'll be asked to select your target audience. This is where you choose whom you want to send the newsletter to. It could be all your contacts, a specific group, or a segmented audience tailored to your strategy. After deciding on your target group, hit the Next button again. Finally, you're all set to publish. Click on Publish to send your beautifully crafted newsletter out into the world. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and distributed a newsletter using Wix. Remember, regular communication with your audience via engaging newsletters can greatly enhance your brand presence and customer loyalty. Happy emailing!